Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to set up Amazon Prime Watch Party. As of April 2024, Amazon has officially discontinued the built-in Watch Party feature for Prime Video. Users can no longer start watch parties directly from the Amazon website or app. Because of this, the best way to watch Amazon Prime Video together is by using a browser extension called Teleparty. Before starting, keep in mind that every participant must have an active Amazon Prime subscription. If someone does not have one, Amazon will ask them to log in to their Prime account before they can continue watching the video. First, open Google Chrome and go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Teleparty and press Enter. Click on the Teleparty extension from the search results. Now click Install. Then click Add Extension again to confirm the installation. After that, Teleparty will ask for some permissions. Grant these permissions so the extension can work properly. Once Teleparty is installed, it will ask you to select a streaming service. Choose Amazon Prime Video from the list. After selecting it, Amazon Prime Video will open in a new tab. Now sign in to your Amazon Prime account if you are not already signed in. Browse and play the movie or TV show you want to watch with your friends. Let the video start playing. Next, look at the top right corner of your browser and click the extensions icon. From the list, select the Teleparty icon, shown as TP. A small window will open. Click on Start Party to create the watch party. Teleparty will generate a unique link. Copy this link and share it with your friends using chat apps, email, or social media. When your friends open the link, the video will sync for everyone. A chat section will also appear on the screen. You and your friends can chat while watching the video together in real time. Thanks for watching.